The project is about IoT solar monitoring system. For this, the materials have taken is solar panel, which is about 12 volts 5 watt capacity, and a ESP32, and 16 cross 2 LCD with I2C, and a battery set which gives about 12 volts 3 ampere hours. The each battery is about 4 volt 1 Ah and are connected in series. Each three are connected in series to make 12, and three 12s are connected to give a high rating of 3 amps. So it is 12 volt 3 amps, and we are using L2596 drive for a conversion of 12 volts to 5 volts to give the power supply to I2C. And LCD is 16 cross 2. So the I2C having 4 pins, SCL, SDA, VCC and ground. So SCL and SDA are given to the ESP32, and VCC ground are given to the 5 volts. And so from the solar panel, let's go to the working of the project. From the solar panel, the power is generated, the voltage generated is about in between 0 to 12 volts, and sometimes it may go rise to 17 to 21. And the voltage generated is given to charge the batteries through the charging circuit. This here it is a charging circuit which consists of 7812 and diodes and the resistors and a filter to give the power supply to the battery. And to measure the voltage of the battery, we are using the voltage sensor. So let's go to the working. I switched on the power supply, IoT based solar monitoring. The generator voltage it is 14.22, and it is given to charge the batteries. So we have to check whether it is uploading to the database. So here the values are being sent to the Firebase at every instant. You can see it is adding for every instant.